Hey y'all, you are watching part one of my guest bathroom makeover series. And guys, so in this video today, I will be taking you on a tour of this bathroom and discussing some ideas that I have for this room. But I would so much appreciate it because I'm going to need y'all help. I'm going to appreciate it if you guys can leave me some ideas down in the comment section. So guys, let's go ahead and let's get started on this video. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by and always tuning in. I especially want to thank my subscribers. I want you guys to know how much I love you and appreciate you guys. I can't thank y'all enough. You guys are absolutely amazing. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would gladly appreciate it if you would do so. Come on over and join the family here and hope to see you around. Thank So, y'all, as you see here, this light fixture, I do want to replace that light fixture. I thought about just painting it, but I think to enhance the look and to kind of get what I'm going for, I would need to replace it. Also, the mirror here, I was thinking about painting it or replacing it, but this mirror is really in a very tricky situation. If you see here, I we actually had to notch out the towel around uh, that mirror so that the mirror can fit there because originally we had it above the towel, which was extremely too high for the mirror to sit. So we had to come up with some constructive way of repositioning the mirror. And this cabinet here, I do want to get rid of the cabinet or either paint it. I'm not 100% sure if I should replace that with some wall art there or some other type of storage unit. Not 100% sure what I want to do there, guys, but I know that I am going to be changing out all of the hardware. I'm going to paint the cabinet. I'm not changing out the cabinet. Um, I am open to changing out the countertop. So I may do that. Um, Also, guys, I'm not changing the towel on the wall. Neither am I changing the towel on the floor. And I am not repainting the bathroom either because I don't like painting. I'm just not repainting that wall. So guys, is that still considered a makeover? I don't know. I hope so because I just need a new look for this bath. I think to me it's a little dated. I think it's clean. It's okay to look at. It's very functional, but I think it needs to be updated a tad bit. So, guys, please give me some ideas. Leave your ideas in the comment section below. I would love to have your input. Um, I don't know, guys. What you think? What you think? What do you think? What do you think? Do you think I can work around the towel and the color on the wall? Because I am looking for a more modern look, but nothing that is too glammy. So if you get what I'm saying, some modernness to the room, but I don't want all the sparkle and glammed out pieces and stuff like that. I want it to look relaxing, cozy, spa-like, modern like. So guys, go ahead and leave me your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching and much love.